All right, here's a good question for you gardeners out there. How many of you grow delicata squash? Delicata squash is one of my favorite squashes to grow. Sometimes the seeds are hard to find, so look at those online catalogs and you will find them. Probably not at your local store, but definitely online. I love this squash because, like a butternut and a spaghetti squash, it stores well in your pantry for months on end. Best yet, you can eat the entire thing, skin and all. So you can scoop out the insides, you can stuff it, you can roast it, you can slice it, you can air fry it. One of my favorite ways to cook it is to cut it in thin slices and then put some salt and pepper and Parmesan cheese on it and bake it in the oven or air fry it. And I swear to goodness, I'm not really sure why, but it tastes like French fries to me. So very versatile in cooking, super easy to grow. You can grow delicata in beds, in the ground, and better yet, you can train it to go vertically. So I like to plant my delicata squash at the back end of my beds, and then I train the vine up the garden tunnel. So it doesn't use a lot of footprint in the garden. It's very prolific and it's super yummy to use in the kitchen. Don't forget to like this video and follow for more garden tips, and better yet, be ready for some amazing garden to table recipes.